Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am back today with a fall inspired look. I really love this look. I just love these colors together. So yeah, this look was very simple, really easy to achieve, so make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lid. You already know I always use P. Louise. This one is in a number 5. 5 is usually my go-to. It's my skin tone, but sometimes I use a lighter one. I think it's usually a number 3, or I use a 0.5. The very first color I'm using is coming from the Morphe 9D palette. I'm sorry, I got my fingerprints on it. The Morphe 9D palette, and I am using this tan color over here, and I'm using the I'm using the E17 to pack that into the inner corner of my crease. And I'm using the Morphe 18B, and I'm taking this green up here, and I'm also using another E17, and I'm using the E17 basically for this entire look, well, for the packing part like I usually do. And yeah, I'm putting that right next to the nude color. I'm very proud of this palette though, because if y'all had the 35 OM, I think that's what it was, the Boss Move palette, that palette, those greens were horrible. Going back into the, what is this called, the 9D, I'm taking this color here first, and then I'm going to take this one right up under. I'm using the same E17 for both colors, but I'm going to do the darker one first and then the lighter one. My wig decided to want to slide off last night while I was doing my other video, and I never like went in and fixed it, so if y'all see that, I'm sorry. I'm just adding some more green. I'm really just going in and blending the colors together, and then I'm gonna go in later with the M506 and actually blend them out up here. I'm taking the orange now, and I am putting that one right here, of course. I'm taking a mixture of this one. I'm taking a little bit of the yellow from the 18B. Like I've told y'all this before, but I really like the more golden looking yellows versus the pastel looking yellows, because they show up so much better. Okay, so now I'm taking the M506 and I'm gonna go back into every color and just do some blending. The same colors I showed you guys earlier, I'm just using the M506 to blend them out towards my brow, or blend them up towards my brow. This is making my skin itch for some reason. I don't do like really fine lines and like, I don't know how to explain it, like fine lines and like perfect circles make our skin itch, because this is not a perfect circle. But I was about to add some of this burgundy shade from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, but my color in the center, I don't know, but it looks like it literally just it literally just, well, it's all over my desk now. I want y'all to see it, but it literally, like, it just separated itself from, like, I don't know, it just made my skin itch. I hate that happened. Something else I did was I went to the P. Louise Worldy palette, and I took this very light green. It's called Baggage, this color right here. I'm literally just gonna dip into that neon green. I'm gonna go right on top, and what that does is it just really brings out the green, because of course we don't want a neon green, but it helps lighten up the green that's already there. And now what I'm gonna do is go into the Huda Beauty Topaz palette. I'm taking the shimmery color up here. So I have recently been using my NYX eyeliner, and then I'm also going to line the top of that line with the NYX Dramatic Sparkle liner. Do I even still sell these? I've honestly had these for years and they have not dried out yet, which is shocking for NYX. Alright, now I'm adding some eyeliner. This one is from LA Girl. Now I'm going to take my M506. I'm going to go back and smoke out each color that I put on my lid underneath my lashes. The color, I'm going into my Warrior palette, and I'm taking this shade right here in the center, and that is going to be my highlighting color. I added this color because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but I'm going to do like a little bit of brown lip liner first. It's not the name I thought it. Oh, it is called Ashton. Taking the name Ashton, the color Ashton from Anastasia. That's crazy. I have a cousin named Ashton, but that's what's on my lips right now. Okay, I'm gonna add a bottom lash and see what it looks like. These are the Double Up Ardell. This is the package. I'm sorry, I was a little beat up. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy today's look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.